See, what I did was I changed the camera settings on my phone, and you can see that
what do you call it?
that wave of light.
Interfering mine.
See that wave of light right there. And then if I go over here, it's also going to do it right here in this room too. See the wave of light. Now if I come over here into the bathroom, there's no wave of light. Do you know how they do it? I do. There's no wave of light in the hallway either. Well, there is a little bit. You can see it's coming off that wall inside there though. See it right there? Wait. Right there.
Bro, where's my